Hello everyone, I hope that you have a great day today. In this video, I'm going to show you quickly how to create a so-called Pareto chart. So basically, this is the finished product about the Pareto chart. Okay, but then I'm going to show you how to create one from scratch. So let me select the chart and then delete it. And in the textbook, it mentioned about you're going to select the range from A23 to A28. So select the A23 first, and then press the Shift key and click on the A cell number A28. And then also you need another range of the data from F23 goes up to F28. So since it's a non-consecutive cells, so you would like to press the the control key first. So while the control key is pressing down, select the cell F23, drag it down to F28, and there go. So you can see that there is a range got selected. There's this range got selected. Then go to the insert and then pick chart. Okay, so pick chart. Okay, so this will be the chart. Okay, so let me use the see all chart option here and change to the tab all charts. And since the Pareto chart is under the category of histogram, so select the histogram over here. And then the first one is the histogram chart, typical one. The second one is the Pareto chart. So select the Pareto chart. Okay, there you go. And click OK. Boom, that's it. And then you can change the chart title to whatever is needed. Okay, or move it to somewhere else. Okay, so I will just keep this video short and leave the rest of the steps to you. Okay, all right. I hope this video is useful to you. Okay, have a good day. Bye.